Today's video, we're coming to you from North London and we have got a lump of a property, and the reason that I call it a lump is because it is a huge property. We're creating two flats. One is a ground floor, it's a 2-bedroom garden flat, and upstairs we've got a 3-bedroom triplex. Let's have a look. Weeks time and follow this particular project, because once we finish this, it's going to be one of the best projects that you've ever seen.
Alhamdulillah, God give me everything.